YouTube, it's the OG back with another video. Before I start this video, do me a favor. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. Alright, as you can see, I have two boxes in, so I'm going to unbox them. And let's see what's in there. Hold tight. Wow, this is strange. I don't even have a fucking knife on me right now. Anyway, we'll use a key. Alright, this one right here is for my wifey, another shoe for her. Getting her Adidas gang together. And as you can see, we got the blue Adidas top 10s. I also have these, you guys didn't see them. It's like his and hers top 10s. You know, what I got, she got. She gonna have what I, that's why I'm stepping her Adidas game up. You know, so yeah, these are hers. They looking real spiffy. You see the tongue with the gold on there. Even got your suede around the toe box. Extra set of laces right there. Dope, dope, dope. Adidas top 10, my all-time favorite sneaker. Alright, let's set that to the side. And let's get this one open. Just really nice. Another pair of Chuck Taylors for myself. You know, I go a half size down in the Chuck Taylors because they run big. You know. Oh man, yeah, these are dope, man. Now y'all seen the blue ones I got like these, so these are the black joints. Suede, got your suede on your toe. Suede all around there. And these are nice, man. Dope. See what the other one looking like. Yeah, these are nice. These are dope, man. On some real talk. Yep, today's pickups. Chuck Taylors, and the wifey Adidas top 10s. Leave your comments down below and hit that subscribe button so I can get this $100 giveaway going on. You know, it's taking a little long. We should be at 5,000 by now, family. Go tell a friend to subscribe to this channel so I can get this giveaway going on. It's the OG, and I thank each and last one of you guys for stopping by. Peace.